Good morning children, welcome to my class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. This is lesson 9, keeping clean, okay, in your EVS class. Now to understand about keeping clean, first read the poem aloud. You all know that what is keeping clean, okay. If you are a tidy person, if you are a clean person, everybody will like you, everybody will love you. But if you are untidy, if you are dirty, nobody is going to like you, nobody is going to talk with you, right? So first of all, you have to understand what is cleanliness, okay? Actually, you have to be clean in your habits, in wearing your dress, in keeping yourself clean. Okay, so now let us read this poem. Then only you can learn more about keeping clean. I like to keep clean and tidy. It makes me feel happy. I splash my eyes, I wash my face, I wash my body, it makes me glow always. I brush my teeth, I brush them morning and night. I comb my hair, I wear clothes neat and tidy. Keeping clean and tidy makes me feel so happy. Now let us understand this poem. I like to keep clean and tidy. Think about yourself. You are saying this poem, okay? Think about every boy, every child is going to think that I am saying the poem. You think in that way that you are saying. I like to keep clean and tidy. You know what is the meaning of clean and tidy? Keeping yourself clean, neat and tidy, okay? It makes me feel happy if you are clean and tidy, wearing clean clothes, okay, looking good, okay, you are feeling happy. I splash my eyes. See, in the morning you get up and what do? You put water in your eyes. That is splash, okay. I splash my eyes putting water on your eyes. Okay, I wash my face. What do? You sprinkle water on your face. Okay, I wash my face. I wash my body. You wash your body when you take bath, isn't it? It makes me glow always. So how you feel? You feel very happy. Actually your skin is shining because you are neat and tidy. You are neat and clean. I brush my teeth. I brush them morning and night. So you see how many times you brush your teeth? Twice you brush your teeth, in the morning and at night. I comb my hair. I wear clothes neat and tidy. You comb your hair properly. After taking bath, then you wear neat and clean clothes. Okay? Keeping clean and tidy makes me feel so happy. So, if you are clean and tidy, you are very happy. So, this is about keeping clean. Okay, you think you are saying the poem, how you are feeling. You must be feeling very good. Okay, so you have learned that how keeping clean keeps one happy. If you are clean and tidy, you are happy. Okay, so in a day, there are so many things you do like playing, eating, going to school, cleaning home and many more things. You think what you are doing, your whole days, the activities you do, the whole day you please just go through what you do. Early in the morning you get up, you brush your teeth. And what are the things you do? You take your breakfast, you go to school, you come back. Okay, again you go to play in the evening, go for tuitions. Okay, then so many activities you do at home, you play at home. Okay, you help your mother at home. So what happens? Your clothes get dirty, isn't it? Every day, why do we change our clothes? Why do we change our clothes? Because when we wear clothes and we do a particular task or we do a particular work, our clothes are dirty. Okay, they become dirty. So that's why we have to change them. We have to wear neat and clean clothes. So to clean all this dust, we have to take bath daily. Why we take bath every day? Why do we take bath? Every day all of us take bath. Why? To keep ourselves clean we take bath. And wear clean clothes after washing them. And why do we wash our clothes every day? You don't wash, your mummy washes. Okay, so why she washes your clothes every day? To keep it neat and clean and to keep yourself also neat and clean. Okay, so you see we are going to do an activity. Put B for the things that are needed while bathing. and put T for the things that are needed for cleaning teeth. First one you see, first one is brush. So you need brush for cleaning your teeth. Okay, so you write down T there, put T for the things that are needed for cleaning teeth. See, brush you need for cleaning your teeth. Now next one is shampoo. Shampoo you need while taking bath. You have to shampoo your hair. You need it. Okay. Third one is toothpaste. And maybe it is mouth rinser. So toothpaste also you need while cleaning your teeth. Okay. So you write down T there. See, brush and toothpaste you write down T. Shampoo and soap you write down B. Because you have to write B for the things that are needed while bathing. While bathing you need shampoo and soap. While brushing your teeth, you need brush and toothpaste. Okay, children? Just go through the lesson, keeping clean. This is lesson 9 in your EVS class. Okay, thank you.